If Canva is showing a website error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step troubleshooting guide, and you can follow along even if you're not technical. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, try the quickest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple reload is enough to get Canva working again. If the page loads normally after refreshing, you're good to go. If not, move on to the next step. Now check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause Canva website errors, especially when loading designs, templates, or editor elements. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run a quick test to see if your connection is performing properly. If the speed is low or the connection seems unstable, that could be the reason Canva isn't loading correctly. If your internet looks fine, the next thing to try is switching networks. For example, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot instead. Or if you're on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This helps you find out whether the issue is with your current network rather than Canva itself. A lot of website errors are actually network related, so this step is really important. If Canva still isn't working, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Canva's connection, block certain website resources, or trigger loading issues. Turn them off temporarily, then go back to Canva and refresh the page again. In many cases, that alone fixes the website error right away. After each step, give Canva a moment to reload and check whether the issue is gone before moving on. The goal is to isolate whether the problem is the page, your connection, your network, or a VPN setting. Most of the time, one of these simple fixes will get Canva back to normal without needing anything complicated. So to recap, if you get a Canva website error, first refresh the page, then test your internet speed, try switching networks, and finally disable any VPN or proxy. These are the fastest and safest fixes to try before doing anything more advanced. If this video helped you solve the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.